So here are the hands-on images of the all Pixel devices well before their official launch. Once again we are presented with a new hardware leak from Google, this time showing the Pixel 9, 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL all revealed side by side in a fresh images several months before Google's usual October launch schedule. It's pretty crazy how these devices are already out there so early, but here we are. I'm sure many of you are excited about the upcoming regular 9 Pro, which is set to bring Google's amazing camera tech to a compact phone. However, the Pixel 9 Pro XL seems to be taller than Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max. Recently leaked live photos of what could be Google's upcoming Pixel 9 Pro have surfaced online, giving us a closer look at the flagship device. These images reveal a new pill-shaped back camera bar, rounded edges, sleek frame and button placements. It's clear that these leaks have left little to imagination, showcasing all the details of the device. Remember that source that first leaked the Pixel 9 Pro? Well, now he is back with live images that could be the whole Pixel 9 series. On top of the images, the source spills some details on the display size for the Pixel 9. It will have a 6.24 inches display and a 12 gigs of RAM. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro XL will boost a 6.34 inches and a 6.73 inches displays along with a 16 gigs of RAM each. The Pixel 9 has a display size that's almost the same size as the Pixel 8, but the Pixel 9 Pro has gotten notably smaller, going from 6.7 inches to a 6.34 inches compared to its previous model. This change may be due to the introduction of an XL model, similar to the Apple strategy with the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro. They offer large 15 Plus and 15 Pro Max option for those who want a more screen space. I find it interesting that even though the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro will be similar in bezels, the Pixel 9 will have a slightly wider bezels than the Pro versions. It's obvious that all devices in the Pixel 9 series will be powered by the Google's Tensor G4 chipset and will feature a 120Hz AMOLED screen. Google was stuck with a consistent back design for the Pixel lineup since the Pixel 6, but the upcoming series will bring a fresh look with a pill-shaped back camera bar, possibly only non-mirror polished metal piece on the phone's exterior. It is important to note that the source did not provide any details about the rumored Pixel 9 Fold except for its existence and Google's work on it. It is likely to be launched separately from the rest of the Pixel 9 series. Stay tuned to my channel for more Pixel updates and share your thoughts on this new design. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.